Dr. Boy Abdullah, kung paano po siya naging inspirasyon hindi sa akin, kundi sa marami po sa amin sa LGBT community at sana sa inyo din. Para sa amin po, parati namin sinasabi, whenever we do forums like this, the biggest accolade, as always, in the struggle of LGBT rights is that people saw it for what it was meant to be. The message of Dr. Boy Abdullah will be seen through it, which is to open minds, open hearts, and to see what is happening around us. LGBT people are not here to sensationalize and exaggerate what was happening, but just to tell it exactly how we live our daily lives in struggle. In the end, we only ask for equal rights, nothing more, but we will accept nothing less in this society. And lastly, para sa amin po sa Make Your Nanay Proud Foundation, with the many milestones and activities, isa po ito sa puso ni Mr. Boy Abdullah, ang Make Your Nanay Proud Foundation. For the past 3 years, papasok na po kami sa 4 na taon namin. We rest not on our laurels, but we continue to resolve to do better with your help, St. Jude Manila. Thank you for helping us in our commitment, in our vision and mission, that indeed we should live our lives as a testament and to the greatness and in the thanksgiving of our mothers. With your support and generosity, we know that we are on the right track. Humble as they may be, our achievements and of all of our partners and supporters every year in this cause, we invite you to continue to be our Nanay allies, as Dr. Buddha would like to call it, and to partake in the cheers for our success, and as well to the reaffirmation of the commitment of our cause to be the best in who we are and to be the best in all that we do. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. Maraming salamat.